friends.
Hi friends.
Julianne and Mark here, coming to you from the beautiful forest with a quick video to share about a new change and shift that we're implementing to the Boho Beautiful Yoga YouTube channel.
Which is that we will no longer be posting any meditation videos to this channel at all.
Don't be sad. This is great news, actually. And we will explain to you right now why. So the thing is, we started noticing so many of you guys finding amazing value with our meditation videos. And as we start to read your comments, it inspired us to actually create a new place where we can post even more specific, different types of meditations for you to enjoy.
So without further ado, we present to you Boho Beautiful Mind.
Yes.
Your one-stop shop for all Boho Beautiful meditations and mindful content.
Yeah, this is our new Boho Beautiful Meditation YouTube channel, which you can go right now and click that subscribe button and check out, because it's a brand new thing that we want to do, but also provide an opportunity for you guys to have that space that you can just go to and find the meditation you need. So if you come to Boho Beautiful Yoga for meditation practices, you no longer need to do that. You can just go right into Boho Beautiful Mind.
But don't worry that if you have a favorite meditation video on this channel currently right now, we will be leaving all those videos still on here. But with a little asterisk to it, we're going to look at our most popular and requested meditation videos, and we're going to actually make different durations, so different lengths of those videos, and we'll be posting them to Boho Beautiful Mind. So if you have a favorite video that you do all the time and it's 10 minutes and sometimes you wish it was 20, just list in the comments your favorite video and what duration you'd love to see it, and we'll make sure to get that edited up and put it up on Boho Beautiful Mind as well.
And speaking of the expansion and different length of meditations that we're going to be creating for our wonderful Boho Beautiful official community, for you guys as well, you'll notice that all of our meditations on our app will also be expanded in the same way. So you'll be able to go and filter meditations that you love and have them in 10 minutes, in 15 minutes, or 20 plus minute versions. And of course, if you're not part of our Boho Beautiful official, just so you guys know, we always offer that free week trial. So check it out and you can see everything that we're talking about here.
And so, in closing, meditation has been one of the most profound practices that we've implemented into our daily routine and in our life. And the day that we began and that we committed to it, we've seen our entire life change around us. It's just amazing the physiological and the spiritual benefits that come with the habit of a daily meditation practice. And so with that in mind, we know that there's no better place to put our energy and our focus in launching something like this, which is bringing more work into our life, but it's a work of great service and purpose, and we're extremely grateful to have this opportunity to be able to accomplish this.
It also gives us the opportunity to bring a little bit more mindfulness into people's lives, and I find that in the time that we live in, we need more mindfulness in our life. We need a little bit more of that connection to ourselves, to our own hearts, and to still the mind itself. So we hope that this new initiative, this new YouTube channel, can bring a lot of benefit to you guys. So please, as we repeat ourselves one more time, go ahead, click that new link, click the subscribe button. Of course, the more people we can get to subscribe, the more it will grow, the more the videos will be shared with more people to the world that can hopefully help them throughout their way in their journey in life. And so with that, thank you guys for being here, and we hope to see you join us on Boho Beautiful Mind.